In business, delegates at the ongoing COP29 at Abuja advocate carbon credits, a product for economic growth and sustainable environment with hope of actualization. Let's take a listen.
That is a trident of three pillars: a loss and damage operativity fund, the clean energy transition, and the nature-based solutions aligned with the NTA resolution. Our expectation here as a global youth community is not only that the negotiators reach finally a consensus that let us advance in the adaptation and the mitigation, but honestly also is uniting ourselves as one planet. And that's, I think, what we can get the most of this COP every year that we come here, that we get to know amazing youngsters and people.
I was still talking energy. Oil futures fell slightly on Thursday with the U.S. benchmark trading below $69 per barrel as the large surplus is expected in 2025. Global crude supply is expected to outstrip demand by more than 1 million barrels per day next year, led by robust growth in the U.S. according to the International Energy Agency's monthly report. And looking at it, the U.S. crude oil edges lower, trades below $69 at large. And looking at the Brent crude, which is a key feature settled at $1.43 at $72.55 a barrel. And looking at the West Texas Intermediate crude, if you look at the West Texas Intermediate December contract, is 68.30 per barrel, down 13 cents year to date. But if it is month to month, it is actually higher at this point. Looking at crude oil is also down nearly 5%. That is showing appreciation in transactions or in the prices of crude around the world, despite the conversations around clean energy. And looking at Nigerian stock market, the Nigerian stock market continued its flip-flop for the week, closing Thursday bearish, reversing the gains posted on Wednesday due to sell-offs in corn oil and other stocks, with market capitalization losing 0.19% and the oil share index closing at 97,233.07 points from 93,418.33 basis points on Wednesday. You can see the total number of value, 7.816 billion naira in 7,931 deals. Total equities 58.9 trillion, a little bit down compared to what we witnessed yesterday. And on the overall, we see the decline of 0.19%. That's against the upward review we witnessed yesterday of 0.16%. Now, looking at the top trades at this particular point in time, the top trades show the banking stocks are actually doing well. At this time, banking stocks, I can see the banking stocks are also doing well, where this shows investors loss like 112.43 billion naira, while the year-to-date return to decline to 30.04%. Now, Access Core 60.3 million, UBA 17.9 million, and Zenith Bank 16.12 million. It's all about the banking stocks. And if you look at the market breadth, it closed positively at 0.23%, with 32 gainers against 15 losers, and 73 equities actually remained unchanged. And compared with the previous trading day, which was Wednesday, November 13th, today's data shows 18% improvement in volume, 4% improvement in turnover, about 5% decline in deals. And on the aggregate, 120 listed equities participated in trading, ending with 32 gainers and 15 losers. This is it on business.